On day 4 and 5 we followed the Danube on its way towards Austria. Due to the rivers and creeks that contribute to the Danube, we saw it more than double in size. Every 1.5 hours we took a rest to stretch the legs. The Danube flows through Ingolstadt. The city has a university that was founded in the 15th century. The old city is worth checking out. The Altenburg Abbey was founded in 1144. The buildings were destroyed and rebuilt numerous times. Situated on the bank of the Danube, it has an elegant and almost sacred vibe. Regensburg marks the northernmost part of the Danube. The medieval center of the city is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Passau is the city of the three rivers. The Danube is joined here by the Inn from the south and the Ilz from the north. In fact, the Inn brings in more water than the Danube herself. The source of the Inn is in the Alps at an altitude of 2,645 meters. One could argue that the Danube from here should be named the Inn, as it more than doubles the river in volume. The intention was to take the ferry to cross the river and enter Austria. But due to the 1st of May holiday, the ferry was not in service. It took us about 25 kilometers to cross the river via the nearest bridge. In Ingolstadt, Austria, we found a Gasthof to spend the night. Thanks for watching. You may share your reaction or question in the remarks part. I will read them and react. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing.